What are the long questions that you should prepare if you have a portrait of the artist as a young man in your syllabus? If you have it in your master's, or even if you're preparing for UPSC, you should definitely prepare these questions. First and foremost, analyze it as a Künstlerroman. There you have to talk about the fact that it is a novel which is about the growth and development of an artist. So it's a specialized kind of a Bildungsroman. All right. So the points should be along those lines. Second, the character of Stephen Dedalus. Now, you also have to mention the fact here that his name is about a duality. His name contains the name Stephen as well as the name Dedalus. And you have to talk about the significance of these two names or components of his name. All right, as well as you have to show how his character is portrayed in the novel. Third, narrative structure. Here you will put in the elements of, say, Bildungsroman, point of view, the stream of consciousness technique that is used. So all these factors should be brought in your answer. The fourth important question is the theme of a religion. How is religion treated in the novel? How does Stephen look at religion? So this might be a focus for your paper setter when a question on religion is made. Also, you must prepare why this novel is a modern novel, what is modern about it, where you have to not just talk about the style which is modern, but also the theme, the structure, the principal character, everything. Use of epiphany, that is also another question which is very important. Sometimes they ask it in shorter question sections like 5 marks questions. Role of epiphany, where you have to talk about the sudden moments of realization that Stephen has. You have to connect it even with the dreams at times. Okay, so dreams and epiphanies, that should be an important part of your preparation. You should also focus on a question on symbolism. Very important. The symbols that are used. All right. Then title. In a question on justification of title, you have to take up the individual components. See, it's a portrait. That means it's a picture giving to us. Is it a portrait or does it change? Because portrait is a static thing, whereas this novel is a dynamic one. Then the word artist. All right, then as a young man. So all these components of the title must be individually looked at in your answer. And finally, of course, you will be preparing Stephen's relationship with women, which is like a comparatively easier question. But I think if you prepare at least the main points of all these questions, you should be more than ready for your exam. So good luck.